Hello guys, welcome back to BJRS Affiliate Gist. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can get your first 1K YouTube subscribers real quick, like I mean under 24 hours. That is under 1 day. This is the method that I have used and it worked for me. So I am here to show you on this video how you can get 1K YouTube subscribers within a day. Make sure to watch this video to the end because the last one will be the practical aspect of it. But before we get into that, I am going to first tell you some things that you need to know. That is why you need to watch this video to the end, because if you skip any part of this video, it means you have missed, or you will definitely miss the steps. So make sure to watch this video to the end, like, comment and share these videos to other people so that they can also benefit from this tip that I am about to share here on this video. So whether you have a TikTok account or not, don't worry, this method works for everybody, because even if you don't have a TikTok account, after the end of this video you can create a new TikTok account and you apply this process that I'm about to show you here on this video, because it works for everybody. So like I said before, you have to watch this video to the end before you will get the steps. If not, you are going to really miss out. The first thing that you need to know is that if you have a TikTok account and you have been uploading videos on your TikTok account, so what you are going to do, maybe at the end or at the middle of your TikTok video, you can create a hook or like call to action. You can tell your people, like your followers, to subscribe to your YouTube channel. This is, you have to put your YouTube link on your TikTok profile. That is one of the way you can get this. Watch the video to the end, because this one is just, let me say, it's just a free way you can get it, but I'm definitely going to show you the practical aspect on how you can get the one of 24 hours, to get the 1K sub in just 24 hours. So let's get back to the main business. So at the end of your video, you can tell your followers to follow your, or to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Then you add the link to your TikTok bio. You can create a hook at the beginning or at the end of the video, telling them to subscribe to your channel. Then you can use that code to put a screenshot of your, use overlay. Yes, many of you are familiar with overlay. You can use overlay to put a screenshot of your YouTube channel showing the name and everything. So after you might have done that, the main way you can get this real quick is by what I am going to show you right now. So let's get back to the screen. For you to get your 1K YouTube subscribers real quick through TikTok, this is what you need to do. The first thing is to install TikTok on your phone. If you don't have TikTok on your phone, you can head over to your Play Store account and install TikTok. You can go to Play Store or Apple Store, then install TikTok on your phone. So after you might have installed the TikTok on your phone, what you need to do next is to head over and open the TikTok. So after you might have opened the TikTok account on your phone, the next steps you need to take is to click on profile. Click on your profile to go to your TikTok profile. So after clicking on the profile, it will take you to this particular place. For example, if this is the video that you want to use for the promotion, you just need to head over and click on that video. Hello guys, so after clicking on the video, now click on this particular icon. Click on this three dot icon right there. After clicking on the three dot icon, now click on increase views. So after clicking on increase views, you are going to, it will take you to this particular page. As you can see, this is promotion, and under this promotion you see choose goal. So from this choose goal, you are going to see boost account, get sales and get leads. Let me make you understand this. If you click on the boost account, what you are going to see is more video views, more followers and more profile views. So this is not what we want, because if you are using any of these three, it means you need more video views or more followers or more profile views. So this is not what we want. What we want is to get a lead directly to our YouTube. So that's why you need to click on get sales. You can click on get sales. You see get sales right there. So after clicking on the get sales, you are going to see this more website visit. You see now under the more website visit, you see landing page. This is landing page, and you also see edit. So what you need to do is to head over and click on edit. After clicking on edit, now you see this website link. So I already have a link here. You need to, if you don't have a link, this place will be empty like this. So what we need to put here as the website link is to head over to our YouTube channel and copy our YouTube channel URL. So let's go to YouTube. You open a YouTube like this. You can click on you. After clicking on you, it's going to take you to this place. Now head over and click on view channel. After clicking on view channel, the next thing for you to do, you can click on this pen icon. After clicking on the pen icon, you are now going to see channel URL. So this particular one, then you head over and click on copy. This is where to copy the link, because this is your link. See your channel URL link here. Now click on copy to copy the link. After you copy the link, now take this link and paste in this particular place. This is where to put the link. Now you head over and click on save. You can use learn more or sign up. Then you click on save again. So after clicking on save, you are going to see this particular place, costume promotion, and under the costume promotion, you see this estimated sign up button clicks, which is 270 to 1153. So it means that if you are running this particular budget with this particular budget right here, which is $3, you are going to have estimated clicks between 270 to 1153. So for example, if your budget is $5 or so, whatever amount you put, you are going to see it there. But let's use like $2. If you are using $2, you are going to have estimated view between 180 to 769. But what we want here is 1000 YouTube subscribers. So that's where I will recommend you increase your budget to like six, let me say $6 like this. So if you increase the budget to $6, but the $5 is okay, it just depends. Note, they are going to charge me in naira. I will be charged in naira, so don't be afraid because I'm mentioning dollar here. So you can see now, you see 540 to 2370. So it means that between, let's say 2000 people clicks on this particular link, at least 1000 people is going to subscribe to your channel, because once they tap on the learn more button, it's going to take them directly to your YouTube page. So after you click on that, you see duration. Okay, this is duration. This duration means how many days do you want to run this particular ads. We need 1 day, so you leave it at 1 day. But if you want to run it for 2 days or more, this is where to increase it, but we leave it at 1 day. Then after that, you now click on recharge. You see this particular ads required 600 coins. It requires 600 coins because of the budget that I said. If I should decrease the budget, you see that if you now turn to 60 coins, so it depends on the budget that you said here. So after that, you can now recharge your coin. You can now recharge. If you don't have coins on your TikTok account, you can recharge it. You can now recharge your coins here. So for you to recharge this particular coin, you can check the video description on how to get Kuda card, which I used to purchase this coin. Check it on the video description. I have linked it on this particular video description. So that is how
to get your 1K YouTube subscribers using TikTok promotion within 1 day.
So I believe you found this video helpful, and if you have any question, do well to drop it on the comment section and I will respond to you within 10 to 20 minutes. So if there is any steps that you missed or you don't really understand, make sure to reach out to me by dropping your comment or dropping your question on the comment section. I will personally walk you through the process again in case you don't really understand the video. And make sure to like, comment, and share this video to other people so that they can also benefit from these tips. Do not keep it to yourself, because I'm sure it works for you. And if it works for you, also drop it on the comment section. Tell me that it works for you. So don't forget to check the description of this video to see how you can get your CUDA card, which I use for the payment, like to purchase the TikTok coins that I use on this video.